Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn the WH question words. We're gonna learn how to ask questions using words like why, what, when, where, and so on. Now let's open the PDF file and go to the table to learn the WH question words. Let's start with the first one. Who, man, man. The second one, where, أين, أين. And the third one, when, maathaa, maathaa. Next, why, لماذا, لماذا. Next, which or what, أي, أي. Next, what, ما or ماذا. The difference between ما and ماذا is that we use ما with nouns and ماذا with verbs. Next, how, كيف, كيف. Next, how much or how many, كم, كم. And the last one, how often, كم عاد, كم عاد. Alright, now before moving on to the sample sentences, there are two things that I would like to point out. The first one we already went over, which is the difference between ما and ماذا, both of which mean what, but the difference is that ما is used with nouns and ماذا is used with verbs. And the second thing I would like to point out is the word kam, meaning how much or how many. Whenever we want to use kam, the word that comes after kam is always in the singular form. Alright, that's all the grammar we're gonna need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. Who is he? He is my friend. من هو? هو صديقي. Number 2. Who is she? She is my teacher. من هي? هي معلمتي. Number 3. Who are they? They are doctors. من هم? هم أطباء. Number 4. Who are they? They are teachers. من هن? هن معلمات. Number 5. When do you go to work? I go to work in the morning. متى تذهب إلى العمل? أذهب إلى العمل في الصباح. Number 6. When will you go to the park? I'll go to the park in the afternoon. متى ستذهب إلى الحديقة؟ سأذهب إلى الحديقة في المساء. Number 7. When do you drink coffee? I drink coffee in the morning. متى تشرب القهوة؟ أشرب القهوة في الصباح. Number 8. Where is your house? My house is near a park. أين بيتك؟ بيتي بالقرب من حديقة. Number 9. Where is her car? Her car is over there. أين سيارتها؟ سيارتها هناك. Number 10. Where is the book? The book is on the table. أين الكتاب؟ الكتاب فوق الطاولة. Number 11. Where is the Italian restaurant? It's near here. أين المطعم الإيطالي؟ هو بالقرب من هنا. Number 12. Why are you learning Arabic? لماذا تدرس العربية؟ Number 13. Why do you work every day? لماذا تعمل كل يوم? Number 14. Why doesn't he drink coffee? لماذا هو لا يشرب القهوة؟ Number 15. Where does he work? He works at a hospital. أين هو يعمل؟ هو يعمل في مستشفى. Number 16. Which house do you want? The big house or the small house? أي بيت تريد؟ البيت الكبير أم الصغير؟ Number 17. Which building do you live in? في أي بناية تسكن؟ Number 18. Which city does your friend live in? في أي مدينة يسكن صديقك؟ Number 19. Which restaurant does your sister work at? في أي مطعم تعمل أختك؟ Number 20. Which language are you learning? Arabic or English? أي لغة تدرس؟ العربية أم الإنجليزية؟ Number 21. What do you study at university? ماذا تدرس في الجامعة؟ Number 22. What do you drink in the morning? ماذا تشرب في الصباح؟ Number 23. What do you eat after work? ماذا تأكل بعد العمل؟ Number 24. What do you do in the afternoon? ماذا تفعل في المساء؟ Number 25. How do you go to work? كيف تذهب إلى العمل؟ Number 26. How do you learn Arabic? كيف تدرس العربية؟ Number 27. How many hours a day do you learn Arabic? كم ساعة في اليوم تدرس العربية؟ Number 28. How many Egyptian friends do you have? كم صديق مصري عندك؟ Number 29. How many cars do you have? كم سيارة عندك؟ Number 30. How many days a week do you work? كم يوم تعمل في الأسبوع؟ Number 31. How often do you go to the movies? كم عادة تذهب إلى السينما؟ And number 32. How often do you drink coffee? كم عادة تشرب القهوة؟ Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.